Hi friends, let's learn about fasteners. Fasteners are hardware devices that are used to securely join two or more objects together. They can be made from a variety of material such as metal, plastic, fabric, etc. Fasteners are classified as two categories. One is temporary fasteners and another one is permanent fasteners. Temporary fasteners. Temporary fasteners are used to connect or disconnect the part without damage of the parts. Example: bolt nuts, stud nuts, cotter, keys, screws, clamps, etc. They are commonly used in automotive, electrical, electronics. Permanent fasteners are used to connect the part which are not likely to be separated. The joint cannot be disassembled without destruction of the joining element. Example: riveting, welding, brazing, and soldering. The permanent fasteners are used in a wide range of applications where a secure and a permanent joint is required. They are used extensively in construction, automotive, aerospace, electronics, and manufacturing industries.